Hello, and thank you for contacting Wave Support. In this case, you have a relatively well-fit scleral lens, and you're hoping to increase the central vault hopefully without changing too much the rest of the fit. So a couple of values to look at. You want to look at your lens sag value, write that down. That's 4371. Look at your edge angle of 40.9. Then, of course, look at your central vaulting on this lens, which is at about 309, 310. So our goal is to get that tear layer up a little bit higher. So thankfully Wave has a neat little tool in here and that makes this process a little bit more comfortable. If you look at under the tools section and go to corneal scleral and choose modify design and central vault, and on this one here you'll see the option of increasing. In this case you want to increase the lens about 90 to 100 microns, so we're going to choose 60 here first, and we'll apply that, and that will give us a little bit of a increase in the vaulting there. Let's see where we are now. We're at about 367, so maybe another 40 or so. So once again we'll hit tools, go to cornea scleral, modify design, central vault, hit yes, and we're going to go increase that another 40 or so. And now I've got the desired increase in the tear layer or vaulting. Now we're up about 407, which is about an increase about 100. Now if we look at the other values, your lens sag has changed a little bit and your edge angle has also changed. Now we want to try to restore that edge back to a similar original edge. And so the easiest way to do that, now if you click up on that pink dot a little bit and watch your edge angle, you're going to try to get that a little closer back to the 40.9 where you started with this case. And just a couple more clicks. And now we're at about 40 now. We got our lens sag back down. 4371 is 4422. So kind of close. You can adjust this a little bit more if you want. But now you've got your edge angle much closer to where it was, and your sag is much closer to the original. You can kind of play with that a little bit more. But now you've increased your central tear layer or your vault, and you've restored the peripheral part of this lens to very similar to the original design. So hopefully you find that helpful. I wish you well and have a great day. Thanks for contacting Wave Support.